All right, so I'm going to be going over the 3 best cryptocurrency apps for beginners to be using on iOS. Now, I've been trading crypto for the last 6 or 7 years, and if you're not sure where to get started, I recommend checking out each one of these. Now, the first one is going to be Binance US. This app is amazing. They've got over 60 coins you can buy, sell, and trade. It's very user-friendly. They've got some of the lowest fees as well at 0.1 to 0.5%, which is the lowest you're going to find unless you're using Robinhood or like Webull, where they have 0 fees, but the downside using those apps is you're not going to have all the different coins that you're going to get here. Now, if you want to check out any of these apps too, I'll have some bonus and sign up links in both the description and comments. And of course, if you could tap the like button on this video, I would greatly appreciate it. Okay, then we've got Coinbase. Now, I've got a little bit more money on here because I've got some long-term holds. Now, Coinbase, I feel like is, the most well-known. It's also very user-friendly as far as using their app. They've got 60 coins that you can buy, sell, and trade. The downside using Coinbase is the fees are a little bit higher. So you're looking at 0.5 to 1.5%. So it is a little bit heftier, right? Which is just something you got to deal with. But, as far as like pulling up charts, things like that, making purchases, it's very easy. It'd probably take you like 2 minutes to figure out how to use it. Now, the nice thing about Coinbase is that they've got an extension app, which is called Coinbase Pro. It's like the trading app. You're automatically enrolled to it when you sign up at Coinbase, and it looks very similar to Binance US. Now, the fees on here are 0.5% for buying, 0.5% for selling. So, overall, if you're like looking at wanting to trade crypto and not just hold on to it, Binance US honestly is going to be the best option, but still Coinbase is awesome as well. Now, a cool thing about using these apps on iOS, if you're using an iPhone or iPad, is that they've got their own widgets. So, I'm pulling up a quick widget here on Binance US. They've got a few different options. And then Coinbase has a pretty cool widget as well, where you can pull up, your watch list, your account balance, the news, etc. And another benefit to using these apps as well. Now, to wrap things up, I actually wanted to give you 5 coin recommendations if you're not sure where to start or what to buy. Not financial advice, but I've done my homework on cryptocurrency, and these are 5 coins I strongly believe in. Now, the first one is Engine Coin. This is the #1 gaming cryptocurrency. It hit an all-time high this year of around $4. Right now, it's under $2. I really think anything under $2 on Engine is a seriously good buy, and I would definitely gobble this coin up. And I don't know why I said gobble, but I kind of like that word. All right, another coin in the gaming cryptocurrency niche is Decentraland. This coin is doing big things. It's got a similar market cap to Engine at around like 1.1, 1.2 billion. And anything under $1 on this, I would definitely recommend checking out. Now, another coin is the Graph GRT. This coin's been referred to as the Google of cryptocurrencies because it indexes different blockchains. It's a very unique coin. It's made its way into the top 50, and I think that it could get into the top 20. Anything under $1 on this one is a good buy for sure. And then a little bit of a safer coin, you've got Bitcoin Cash. This coin's been around for a long time. It has yet to break its all-time highs of around $4,000. I think anything under $1,000 on Bitcoin Cash is a really good buy, and that's a coin I actually own. And then I think Ethereum is another good coin to get into because it's super safe. It's got staying power. It's not going anywhere. And the price on it has been kind of booming a little bit. And I think buying into it at any price right now makes a lot of sense if you're going to long-term hold. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, I'm all about cryptocurrency trading, specifically, on my phone all the time, and each one of these apps is awesome, but the overall best one is definitely Binance US. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Please smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.